Hey, what's up you guys? Really quickly, I'd like to show you how to make a thread cleaner on the fly. Take the bolt that it is that you need to clean a thread out for. We're gonna go ahead and make some notches, not too deep and not too long. Be very careful, but we can reuse this bolt after we make the thread cleaner. Use a grinder with a cutting disc. We wanna cut through our threads, making an opening for the debris to fall out, but we need to be sure we don't cut into the bolt, causing any integrity issues. You can now repeat this process, making 3 more cuts. Now with the notches made in our bolt, it will more easily remove the debris as we go back and forth several times with the cleaner. Remove the debris. We can then tighten and torque this hardware. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck.